everyone, welcome to another episode of Toppers Talk at Creative Edge by Top Rankers. This side Muskan Dhanotia, your design mentor at Creative Edge, and today we have Soumya Gupta, who is truly inspiring. वो talented है, focused है, and has made all of us incredibly proud by securing AIR 43 in NIFT, and she has also booked her seat in NIFT Mumbai. Congratulations, Soumya. Let's dive straight into the interview. First of all, let's begin with some happy moments from your big day. जिस दिन रिजल्ट आया उस दिन क्या एक्सपेक्टेड था कि AIR 43 आ जाएगी एंड व्हाट वाज योर रिएक्शन?
Well, honestly, ये बिल्कुल expected नहीं था. I did work hard towards this examination, but securing such a great rank was honestly a big surprise to me. When I logged into my portal to check the result, I really had to refresh it 5 times to be sure enough that I secured a rank 43. My parents were also super happy for me, and so yeah, overall it was a great.
Congratulations to you again. Can you please tell us little about your background and how did you decided that you should go with design as a career?
Well, about my background, I'm a PCM student.
Okay.
And honestly, usually कोई भी maths लेता है तो it's a notion that they'll either go for engineering, and if they are inclined towards design, they'll take architecture. But I was more inclined towards digital designing and communication design. Like how design is used to communicate things, how it is used to solving problems creatively. So that's why I chose design as my career.
Okay, great. As per my knowledge, आपने UC शायद 12th में भी दिया था एक बार.
Yes.
So how was your experience that time? And कोई coaching लिया था या self study के through दिया था?
नहीं, 12th में when I gave UCIT, it was self-prepped.
Okay.
I was mainly focused on my 12th board examinations, but I started taking like YouTube पे videos some देखना या फिर कुछ भी self preparatory जैसे मैं कर सकूँ.
It's a self preparation.
Yeah.
Okay.
It was like ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं कर सकते हैं with 12th या self
preparation के साथ.
preparation के साथ, but honestly it's best when you have a mentor, when you have someone who can give you honest feedbacks on your sketches, on your aptitude part. So it's great to have a mentor.
So as per you, it is better to enroll yourself with someone who can guide you throughout your journey, whether it's a positive guidance or a guidance after mock test.
Yeah,
you
critics
need
are
someone.
also very important.
Okay.
And coaching keeps you in discipline, and
Yeah.
it keeps you time bounded.
Understood. फैशन डिज़ाइनिंग एंड फैशन कम्युनिकेशन बहुत सारे इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑफर करते हैं, बी इट प्राइवेट और गवर्नमेंट, बट निफ्ट एक प्रेस्टिजियस इंस्टीट्यूट माना जाता है. तो मुझे बताओगे आपको कैसे निफ्ट के बारे में इन्फो मिला एंड हाउ डिड यू डिसाइडेड कि मुझे निफ्ट ही टारगेट करना है एंड टॉप कैंपसेस ही टारगेट करना है?
Well, before enrolling in this coaching, मेरे को somewhat idea था what NIFT is, but when I got enrolled in Creative Edge and I got mentorship here, so it made me clear about the image.
Okay.
Firstly, I used to think that NIFT is just about fashion designing, but then I got to know like there is fashion communication as well, which is the field of my interest. So that's why I got aware about it.
वेल ये बहुत हेल्प करेगा हमारे बडिंग डिज़ाइनर्स को, जो भी मिथ्स हैं उनके माइंड में निफ्ट के को लेकर. दिस क्वेश्चन विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प देम आउट. माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज लाइक हम जब ड्रॉप ईयर का डिसीजन लेते हैं एज यू आर अ ड्रॉपर स्टूडेंट, तो वो डिसीजन ईजी नहीं होता है. हम पेरेंट्स के पर्सपेक्टिव से देखें, खुद के पर्सपेक्टिव से देखें, तो कोई भी एग्ज़ाम के लिए ड्रॉप लेना इज़ नॉट ईजी. So how did you decided and how your parents reacted to it?
Definitely drop लेना एक easy decision नहीं होता है, but it was either like taking drop and giving your full year to this preparation or like settling it with any of the design college I was getting. So I made up my mind that I have to give my whole year towards the preparation of design exams. My parents were skeptical about it कि लेना चाहिए या नहीं, या बैकअप के लिए कोई कॉलेज में enroll कर लेना चाहिए. But honestly, it gets very hectic when you prepare design exams with a college. So that's why I decided to go with full drop.
Okay. My next question is, मैं जब स्टूडेंट्स से मिलती हूँ और उनके साथ डिस्कशन करती हूँ, तो बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे होते हैं जिन्हें एप्टीट्यूड में प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती है, बट ड्राइंग में दे आर डीलिंग सम प्रॉब्लम, उन्हें ड्राइंग टफ लगता है, एंड वाइस वर्सा दूसरे साइड स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं जो ड्राइंग में बहुत श्योर होते हैं, दे आर वेरी मच कीन टुवर्ड्स ड्राइंग एंड उनका इंक्लिनेशन ड्राइंग में ज़्यादा होता है, बट एप्टीट्यूड में कहीं ना कहीं उनका PCM बैकग्राउंड ना होने पर या टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड ना होने पर उन्हें डर रहता है कि वो लोग एक्सेल कर पाएंगे कि नहीं. आपके केस में ऐसा कुछ था, एंड हाउ डिड यू कोप अप विद इट?
Well, mainly मेरे case में I was scared about the drawing part.
Okay.
Because attitude part I was really confident about taking my background in consideration.
Yeah.
But in drawing I was honestly scared seeing so many people with such a great skills for drawing. But honestly जब आप preparation चालू करते हो, it gives you an idea that design में drawing it's not just like aesthetic and good drawing, it's basically how you solve a problem and how you tell through your drawing skills कि वो आपने कैसे solve किया है.
It's more of a problem solving field
other than the aesthetics. So धीरे धीरे practice करके if you are good enough, like if you have set your mind at it, सब अपने अपने pace पे it happens.
Okay,
it is easy.
Understood. My next question is about like observation, storytelling, design thinking. ये सारे बहुत crucial aspects माने जाते हैं in case when you are appearing for any design exams or you are enrolling yourself to any good college. तो मुझे बताओ आपकी जर्नी में इनका इम्पोर्टेंस कितना था, एंड कैसे आपने इन तीनों एस्पेक्ट्स को इम्प्रूव किया, बी इट डिज़ाइन थिंकिंग, बी इट स्टोरी टेलिंग और ऑब्जर्वेशन, एंड क्या प्रैक्टिस किया जिससे इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ?
Well, observational design thinking के लिए like here we have mentors who give us really like practical task to improve observation. Like वो हमें कहते थे कि like go to some public places, observe people around you, do live sketching. So it actually helped a lot to improve observation skills and perspective.
Okay.
And design thinking के लिए they used to give us a question and like some specific time, 15 minutes, 20 minutes to like dive into the question, think about it. Maybe some group activities which helps you improve the brainstorming part.
Okay.
And time foundation के हिसाब से it actually helps you in exam when your brain is trained enough to do that.
Yeah.
So the mentorship here and especially the interaction with your peers helps a lot with
Okay.
that.
My next question is, how was your journey at Creative Edge? Like you had invested a whole year with us. So how was your journey, and would you like to highlight कुछ features ऐसे जो specially आपको help किए हैं to secure an All India rank?
Well, enrolling in Creative Edge was a really fruitful experience, I would say. And यहाँ it's not just about the study, it's about the environment you get. You get monthly mentorship. If आप कहीं अटक रहे हो, you can directly go to your mentors. They are really friendly, they are really interactive. They'll help you out, they'll give you honest critiques on it. And ऐसा भी नहीं है कि you'll just feel like another student in a batch. एक personal mentorship जो रहता है वो यहाँ पे मिलता है. Let it be aptitude, let it be drawing, दोनों ही cases में it's really good.
Okay, I'm glad that Creative Edge could help you out in your journey. My next question is exam के दिन को assume करना, and what was your mind? What was your state of mind कि आप काम थे, nervous थे या excited थे? क्योंकि बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं जो इमोशन को ओवर पावर कर लेते हैं एंड वो डायरेक्टली अफेक्ट करते हैं उनके एग्जाम परफॉर्मेंस पे. तो हाउ डिड यू हैंडल दैट?
Well, honestly I was really nervous
Okay.
कि पहले you have to give aptitude part of 3 hours and then the drawing of 3 hours. It's really exhausting
Yeah.
and it also increases panic.
Okay.
But the main thing is कि आप एग्जाम से पहले ज़्यादा प्रेशर मत लो. Just be focused, just like believe in yourself कि जितना किया है अभी तक वो अच्छा ही है. So it helps a lot. Take deep breaths, be calm, listen to music, talk to your friends. So it helps a lot to stay relaxed and calm during the examination.
Okay, understood. My last question is, any advice जो आप अभी जो एग्ज़ाम के लिए अपीयर होने वाले हैं या जो जिनका टारगेट ईयर नेक्स्ट है उनको देना चाहोगे कि हाउ दे कैन प्रिपेयर वेल एंड what pointers they need to keep in their mind during design preparation journey?
Yeah, well, design preparation journey में mainly you have to know that ये कोई normal exam जैसी नहीं है कि you will just mug up everything और फिर end moment पे आप कर लोगे. You have to be really consistent, especially in drawing. You have
Agree.
to take out time for drawing. You have to practice it daily. एंड एप्टीट्यूड वगैरह भी ऐसा नहीं है कि यू हैव टू बी इन फियर कि मेरे को मैथ्स नहीं आता तो नहीं हो पाएगा. इट्स ईजी, इट कम्स टू योर फ्यू प्रैक्टिस. सो या, एंड डिज़ाइन से रिलेटेड बहुत सारे लोगों का ये भी मिथ रहता है कि अच्छी ड्राइंग नहीं आती तो नहीं हो पाएगा. बट ऐसा नहीं है. जो बेसिक आपको सीखना रहता है वो कंसिस्टेंट प्रैक्टिस के साथ आ जाता है. यू हैव टू मेनली फोकस ऑन डिज़ाइन थिंकिंग एंड ऑब्जर्वेशन. इट हेल्प्स अ लॉट.
I would like to continue. You just need to be focused on concepts and proportion. You don't need to be perfect, but you
Yeah.
need to be focused on what teachers are.
You need to show up every day.
Yeah,
Like
you need to
consistency
show up
over the
every day.
perfection. Basically.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, thank you so much, Soumya, for being with us. This interview will definitely going to help all our budding designers in their preparation journey.